Hello, back again. In this fourth part, we will create basic lighting for the environment. The purpose of this basic lighting is to create a more vivid atmosphere for the scene we choose. Alright, for this scene, we will choose a daytime atmosphere. First of all, let's adjust the lighting of the sky. Here, we have two options to adjust the ambient lighting. The first option is to modify the default sky provided by Enscape. The second option is to use an HDRI or skybox. However, in this case, we have difficulty achieving optimal results using the default sky provided by Enscape. Therefore, we will try using a skybox or HDRI in this case. Here, we will use an HDRI because the light produced by HDRI is authentic light captured in the real world. We obtained the HDRI from polyhaven.com. We chose this particular HDRI because it closely resembles our reference and has an infinite horizon. Make sure the downloaded HDRI is in HDR format. Next, we can try increasing the brightness of the HDRI to avoid it being too dark. It's important to note that at this stage we don't need to focus on fine-tuning the ambient lighting details because this step is only meant to provide a basic representation of the chosen atmosphere.